In this video, I'm going to basically show you my whole forecast outlook predictions on CVNA. Not going to hide anything. Okay, I'm also going to use this tool somewhere in this video to actually outline exactly what I'm expecting the price to go for me. Let's begin with the video. Before I get into all that sauce, as always, brief disclaimer that nothing on the channel constitutes professional and financial advice. And now let's take a look at the first confluence, which is the performance. Look at the bottom right corner. It's not at the bottom right, but yeah, you look at the performance tab. You can see that we do see from like the first scheme from it, two greens, four reds. Is it bad? Is it good? Basically, the most important thing that we want to look at this right now is the yearly, which overall the highest time metric that we see in here, and it's 93% now in the past year, which is that's very poor. That is very poor. Like genuinely, I do believe that's very poor performance. But is it all that black, right? Also, the next important that I'm going to talk about is the structure, which again in as I mentioned in the previous videos, hasn't been so good after we started delivering lower in this bigger crash that we started basically on second, like in August 2021. But yeah, after that we do see we saw multiple predictions of mine. Well, not multiple, but I had this little prediction in my last video that I made. It was this prediction right here, in which basically I was expecting the lows to continue to get cleared. Now, if you're not a believer of that, let me just show you a quick little proof. Here it is. Here's how it looked like in this video that you have linked right here. Feel free to go check it out. But yeah, this is just me using my simple strategy, simple system that I use. Doesn't use 110 indicators. You can see it from my videos. What is my expectation of CVNA right now? Like to be 100% honest with you, my prediction is for this to continue and deliver a little bit lower. Now we're tapping into a demand area. I perfectly understand that, but looking at it from a 4 hour perspective, I do see this continuing to deliver below this low. In other words, it looks something like this. Now, let me know your opinion on CVNA. If you found any value, make sure to like the video, which I don't. I agree. Not a lot of people will agree with me for me being bearish on CVNA. But again, yeah, you have your own opinion. And if you want to learn how I use my strategy, the simplest strategy on the market, make sure to check the links in the bio.